Have any doubt in any question of worksheet 3?
No, sir.
किसी बच्चे को वर्कशीट 3 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट्स है?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7.
7, yes. We have a train 150 meter long is running at 72 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. We have a speed of a train is equal to 72 km per hour. In meter per second, this is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. 18 for the 72, 20 meter per second. Hence, a speed of a train become equal to 20 meter per second. Now, you have to prepare the data according to the given question. How you become able to prepare it, इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. This one. Distance in meter and time taken
सर आपका बोर्ड ब्लर आ रहा है हल्का हल्का.
in second. Distance in meter, time taken in second. Yes, distance in meter, time taken in second. Distance in meter is this 20 meter per second. 20, time taken is 1 second. If your distance become equal to x and time taken is equal to 13 seconds, then we have to evaluate the required distance. Let required distance be x. Then, according to question, we have let the required distance cover be x meter. Then, according to question, we have it is your questions of dark variation. So, this must be equal to 20 by 1 is equal to x by 13. Therefore, x is equal to 20 into 13, that is 260 meter. Whole distance become equal to 260 meter, where length of train is 150 meter. Hence, length of the bridge, यहाँ लिख देते हैं, hence the length of a bridge is equal to 260 minus 150 meter.
ये सर आपका बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
110 meter.
सर आपका बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes. उसको छोड़ो ना, बोर्ड देखो ना, बोर्ड देखना है ना. Have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चे को क्लियरली बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना? सारे बच्चे को क्लियरली बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना बेटा? हेलो
सर आपका बोर्ड पूरा ब्लर आ रहा है, कुछ
लाइट
दिखाई नहीं
करो
दे
ना
रहा है
तो थोड़ा लाइट
जो भी
करो।
आपने लिखा है बोर्ड पे ब्लर आ रहा है। अब आ रहा है।
दिख रहा ना?
हाँ सर। नो सर अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा।
हमको तो क्लियरली दिख रहा।
एकदम क्लियर है, एकदम
ओके
सर आप दिख सकते
यस worksheet 3 question number 7 it is given in the question that a speed of a train is equal to 72 km per hour. This is equal to 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. This will be equal to 20 meter per second. हमने बताया है कि to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second we have to just multiply by 5 by 18. This is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. This will be equal to 20 meter per second. अब यहाँ हम लोग डेटा तैयार करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन क्वेश्चन. डिस्टेंस इन मीटर 20, टाइम टेकन इन सेकेंड दैट इज 1. You have to evaluate the required distance covered in 13 seconds. Time taken is given as 13 seconds. Let required distance covered by a train in x meter. Then according to question, this is your question of direct variation. Because in direct variation, x by y is equal to constant. In direct variation, if x and y are two quantities, in such a manner that if x is increased, then y is also being increased. If x is decreased, then y is also being decreased. On the basis of the same way, we have the same result. It is your question of direct variation. So in direct variation, x by y is equal to constant k. Hence, 20 by 1 is equal to x by 13. After doing cross multiplication, we have the same result. This x is equal to 20 into 13, that is 260 meter. Total distance covered by a train is equal to 260 meter, where length of train is 150 meter. Hence, length of bridge, देखिए यही है आपका, this one is your train, AB is your train and BC is your bridge. A total length है 260 meter, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, and this length is 150 meter. So length of this bridge is equal to 110 meter. We have to evaluate length of this bridge in BC, B to C, A to B is equal to 150 meter and B to C is equal to 110 meter. We have to evaluate the length of this bridge. Whole length become equal to 260 meter, where length of train is equal to 150 meter. Hence remaining length will be equal to 260 minus 150, that is 110 meter. This 110 meter is the required length of the bridge. Okay, have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए? नोट कर लीजिए. Have any doubt in solution of question number 7? Okay. और भी किसी बच्चे को किसी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? Have you any doubt in worksheet 3?
No, sir.
वर्कशीट 3 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में किसी बच्चे को डाउट्स है?
No, sir.
यस. अब देखिए, आफ्टर वर्कशीट 3 you have to solve the questions of value based questions, brain teasers and HOTS. आप देख लीजिए, वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस में किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है, आज वेल एज ब्रेन टीचर्स में भी किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है. If you have any doubt in value based questions as well as brain teasers as well as HOTS, you must share to me about your doubts. I will solve that question in which you have
Sir,
some doubts.
repeat question number 7.
Brain teaser question number 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 7. Brain teaser question number 7. We have the extension of an elastic spring is found to vary directly with the weight suspended from it. If a weight of 75 gram produces an extension of 1.47 centimeter, calculate the weight that would produce an extension of 9.8 centimeter. Weight in kg. Second one is extension in centimeter. Weight in kg is given as 75 and extension is given as 1.4 centimeter. Next one is calculate the weight that would produce an extension of 9.8 centimeter. This is 9.8 centimeter and required weight in kg will be x. Let required weight be x kg. Then we have सारे बच्चे क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ेंगे. Yes, your question is this: the extension of an electric spring is found to vary directly with the weight suspended from it. If a weight of 75 kg produces an extension of 1.4 centimeter, then calculate the weight of that would produce an extension of 9.8 centimeter. In such case, let weight in kg be x. Then according to questions, if your weight is increased, then extension is also being increased. If your weight is reduced, then extension will also be reduced. So this is your question of direct variation. In direct variation, x by y is equal to constant k. That's why we can say the same, that this 75 by 1.4 is equal to x by 9.8, or 1.4 x is equal to 75 into 9.8. Therefore, x is equal to 75 into 9.8 whole divided by 1.4. This one is multiplied by 7. This is equal to 7 5 is 35 k, 49 plus k, 52, 525 kg. That is your answer. This is right solution. Have any doubt in it?
No, sir. Sir.
किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? Required weight will be equal to 525 kg. It is your answer. Battery is low. Battery is low. Have any doubt in it?
No, sir.
सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए? Have you any doubt in it?
No, sir.
सारे बच्चे इसको नोट कर लिए हैं?
Yes, sir.
यस, ठीक है. What is your question? और भी किसी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? पूछिए क्वेश्चन. इसको रब करना है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नहीं रब करें?
कर दीजिए, sir.
Have any doubt in any question? If you have any doubt in any question, all of you must say to me about your doubts. Have any doubt in any question?
सर हॉट्स बता दीजिए.
हॉट्स. हॉट से पहले भी किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? Have any doubt in any questions before hot's?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm going to solve the questions of direct and inverse variation. Your hot question is this. Your question is this. While driving his car at a speed of 50 km per hour, Ramit covers a distance from home to his office in 1 hour 30 minutes. One day he was 15 minutes late from his home. In order to reach office at time, what should be the speed of the car? देखिए, while driving his car at a speed of 50 km per hour, Ramit covers a distance from home to his office in 1 hour 30 minutes. We have thoughts. We have a speed of a car is equal to 50 km per hour and time taken is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. This must be equal to 130 by 60 hour, 1 by 2 hour. This must be equal to 3 by 2 hours. Applying formula. Speed equal to distance by time. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. This must be equal to 50 into 3 by 2 किलोमीटर. यहाँ हो गया 75 किलोमीटर. यानी रमीत के घर से इसके ऑफिस की दूरी है 75 किलोमीटर. Okay, one day he was 15 minutes late from his home. In order to reach office at time, what should be the speed of the car? यहाँ हम लोग इस से डाटा बनाएंगे. Speed of the car in kilometer per hour. Time taken in hour. Speed of the car is 50 km per hour. Time taken is equal to 3 by 2 hours, as well as 15 minutes left. पहले उसको जाने में लगता था 1.5 घंटा, अब जाने में लगेगा 1.15 minutes late means 15 minutes late means 15 by 60 hours, यानी 1 घंटा 15 minutes, यानी 15 for the 60, 1 by 4 hours. If your time taken become equal to 1 by 4, यानी 5 by 4 hours, then what should be the speed of the car? Let required speed of the car यहाँ लिख देते हैं ऊपर में. Let required speed of the car be x km per hour. let required speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. Required speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. Then we have, if speed is increased, then time is decreased. If speed is decreased, then time must be increased. This is your question of inverse variation, and in inverse variation, x into y is equal to constant k. So, according to question, then we have, according to question, this x into y is equal to k, 50 into 3 by 2 is equal to x into 5 by 4, or 75 is equal to 5x by 4, or 75 into 4 is equal to 5x. यहाँ हो जाएगा आपका 15, that is x is equal to 60. It means speed of the car become equal to 60 km per hour. It is an answer. First answer it is. Also find the total distance covered by Ramit Delhi. Your distance covered अभी just हमने निकाला है 75 किलोमीटर, यानी घर से ऑफिस 75 किलोमीटर कवर किया गया, और ऑफिस से घर आने में भी 75 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर किया गया. इसलिए टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड यहाँ लिख देते हैं, टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड is equal to 75 plus 75, that is 150 kilometer, and required speed of the car become equal to 60 kilometer per hour. It is your answer. Have any doubt in it?
No, sir.
किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? This is very typical question. Also you have to think about the right solution of this question. I have solved this question. If you have any doubt at any point in this question, you must say to me about your doubts. I'm just going to repeat the answer of this question once again. It is your thoughts question. Initially, it is given that a speed of a car is equal to 50 km per hour and time taken to reach the destination is 1 hour 30 minutes. कार का स्पीड है, रमित के कार का स्पीड है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और उसको ऑफिस पहुंचने में लगता है 1.5 घंटा. Obviously 1.5 घंटा means 1 hour 30 minutes means 3 by 2 hours. Applying formula, we know that speed equal to distance by time. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. Hence, required distance in kilometer will be equal to 50 into 3 by 2, that is 75 kilometer. यानी रमीन घर से ऑफिस गए 75 किलोमीटर और ऑफिस से घर आए 75 किलोमीटर, यानी टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय रमीन इज इक्वल टू 75 प्लस 75 150 किलोमीटर. ये क्लियर है. आफ्टर दैट अब क्वेश्चंस पर आइए. रमीत को किसी दिन 15 मिनट लेट हो गई, तो बताइए कि कार का स्पीड कितना वो बढ़ा देंगे कि ऑफिस टाइम पर पहुंच जाएं. 15 मिनट लेट होने का मीनिंग हुआ कि he has to speed his increase, he has to increase the speed of his car. How we become able to evaluate the required distance as well as what is the required speed of the car, इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. ओके देखो ये क्या हो गया।
ठीक
Speed of the car is 50 km per hour. Time taken in hour is 3 by 2. We have to evaluate the speed of the car is equal to what? Yani we have to evaluate the speed of the car when time taken is 5 by 4 hours. 1 घंटे 15 मिनट. Since it is your question of inverse variation, in inverse variation x into I is equal to constant k. It means in inverse variation, if one quantity is increased, then another must be decreased, and vice versa. Vice versa has the same meaning that if one quantity is decreased, then another must be increased. On the basis of the same way, we become able to solve this question of Hertz. X into Y is equal to K. So according to given question, we have the same result like this. This 50 into 3 by 2 is equal to x into 5 by 4, or